YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to make a chess game on Scratch. So let me show you how to make it, but before that we will see what the game looks like. So let's start. So right now, as you can see, I have 5 points, and as I press R, it turns to 0, right? Now, let us see how I made this game. Everyone, this is the screen you'll come across while starting the Scratch project. So by default, we have a cat sprite here. So let us first delete it. Now, let's choose a backdrop. This is where you can choose a backdrop. So let us click on this. You can choose any backdrop you like. I am going to choose Space City 1. Now, let's choose a sprite. And this is where you can choose a sprite form. I'm going to choose a dot. You can choose any sprite you like. Now, this is our chaser. Now, let us add some codes to it. So, first, you have to go to events and there select this block. It has when space key pressed written on it. Drag it here in the workspace and then click on this here. This drop down symbol. Then you come across these options. Click on right arrow. Then go to motion. Then select change X by 10. Drag it here. Now again go back to events and choose the same block. Then this time select the left arrow. Again go back to change X by 10 and change it to -10 instead of 10. Then get a new sprite. I am choosing the star. You can choose any one you like. Now let us add some code to it. So go to events, choose this block when green flag picked, then go to control, choose the forever block here, drag it, go to motion, choose this block, then select the last sprite that you got. Okay, and then go to events and select this block and drag it here. And then here also, to make it loop, you are going to select forever in control. Then in controls, select if. Then drag it inside forever. Now go to sensing. There choose touching mouse pointer and click on the drop down symbol here. Here you will see three options: mouse pointer, edge and the sprite you chose. The other sprite I chose was a star, so I have star here. Click on that and then go to variables. There click on make a variable. Then keep the variable's name score. Click on OK. Then click on change my variable by 1. Now click on my variable and select score. Then go to sounds, click on choose a sound. Before that, remove the default sound. Then click on choose a sound. You can upload from your computer if you want. And then type 1. If you are using the sound from the sound library. Now go back to code and there select sound. In sound, go to play sound want until done. Okay, and drag it right below change score by 1. Now then choose star or whatever the sprite you chose and go to events. There choose this block and drag it. Choose R here. You can choose whichever one you want, okay, for as a shortcut key to reset. Then go to variables. There select set my variable to 0. Then select score. And now we are done with the game. Let me show you. And as we click on R, the score gets reset. So this is how we make the game. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write in the comment section below. So this is it for this video, and make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!